Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, May 6th. Overnight trade mixed but generally on the defensive. At this time we have the wheat and the corn market both down around 3 cents, the bean market down 14 to 7 cents, more weakness in the old crop, new crop spreads and in flat price. We got the meal market down around $5, and the loan market on the plus side is the soybean oil market, but only up in the neighborhood of around 5 points. We may also see some follow-through tech selling in the market here today for the beans and the meal, as both those markets are now making new lows for their move, highlighting yesterday's weakness that those two markets realized. Not much in the way of fresh overnight news. Traders this morning are rehashing yesterday's late afternoon crop progress and condition reports from the USDA. On paper, they look a little bit supportive as both our corn and bean plantings are running behind average and or running behind what the trade estimates were. We also saw another decline in winter wheat conditions, but all that may have been considered in yesterday's trade, and so is more or less by the rumor sell the fact here in the overnight session, as once again we're not getting much in the mileage on the upside on those less than anticipated crop progress numbers as far as what the averages were over the past 5 years. We're also seeing some weakness in the market in respect to the fact that we're going to have a census report coming on out this morning, that being from the Commerce Department as far as monthly exports go, but the trade will be in particular of interest as far as what's going on with bean imports. Once again, we are trying to solve our row crop tightness for beans. We have already imported in the neighborhood of around 20 million bushels of beans, and if we continue to see that number grow, the trade will continue to get more and more comfortable with the fact that we are solving our old type bean tightness, and thus the weakness that we're seeing in the old crop, new crop spreads, both on liquidation of the specs being long, and once again on the fact that we are getting these imports. On Friday, we'll have the USDA coming on out with their supply and demand tables. Once again, we'll have new crop tables in the report for the first time. Trade is looking for higher corn and bean carryouts versus this current year. So once again, if we have the weather that's conducive, catch up with our planting, carryout numbers growing as we work our way down the road both in the U.S. and in the world, and with the trade being long, the upside continues to be somewhat limited at this time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Thank you. ADM Brian.